Howdy YouTube. So we got a new aquarium filter and we have the bifold glass tank lids. Our filter is just a little bit bigger than the last one and the glass is too long, it won't fit in the tank top. You got to cut about a little bit off, like an 1/8 inch, 3/16 off. Also the corner of the one in there is got a nice chunk missing out of it and it's cracked, so we're going to replace the whole one side of the top lid to make it fit. So I picked up a piece of 12 by 36 inch glass at Home Depot. They have smaller sizes. I needed the bigger size for the width, but yeah, so anyway, take your measurements. I took my measurements. They need to be 4.5 inches. So we'll mark that out in a second. Then what we're going to do is, on your hard surface, take a straight edge, which we have right here, and you're going to need one of these dandy tools, which is a glass cutter. It's got some sections here to grab your glass and snap it. Also has a ball where you can tap the back of the scored glass to snap it, or you can press down on it. But anyway, this little wheel here is what scores your glass, and that will let you break it to cut it. So I'm going to measure out. You need to find a pencil. We'll get mine laid out and we'll come back to it, okay? Alright, so my glass is laid out on my hard surface. I've squared it up close enough for who it's for. It's not rocket science, so it's a fish tank lid. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to be functional. Now, we'll line it up. You want your scoring tool, the wheel, to be right on your line. So, your straight edge is going to have to be slightly off your line to allow room. So, I need to fix my sawhorse here. Perfect. Now I can really press down. So, now that we're laid out, we'll take our, you can't really see too well, there we go. It's laid out. We'll take our glass cutter, press down on our straight edge, take our scoring tool, and score. Score down the straight edge. Like so. I haven't done this too many times. You'll get better as you do it. Probably more wise to have some clamps with you, but that's okay. And we will use the push down method instead of the back of the tool ball method for cutting our score. We're breaking our score line on the glass. Oh, just like that. You have a properly sized piece of glass to do whatever you need to do. In my case, fix an aquarium. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more. Enjoy your DIY projects. And, as I always say, stay crazy and have a good one, people.